So the entire cricketing world is still waxing lyrical about one of the most spectacular run chases in the history of cricket. Not just by the numbers, but all the debilitating factors facing the visiting Indians in chasing down 328 runs on a fifth-day pitch against the best pace attack in the world at the Gabba Cricket Ground, where the Aussies had not lost a test match in 30-odd years, with the Indians decimated by injuries. Inspirational captain Virat Kohli and 7 other first-choice players missing in action. All things considered, for the Indians to pull off that victory, the world witnessed one of the most impressive run chases in the history of red ball cricket. And look, the debates have been raging about how much this gripping spectacle will rescue the dying Test cricket format. We don't know about that. Old-time Test cricket lovers will again get excited. But the fact of the matter is that games like these don't happen often enough to recapture the dwindling interest in the Test game. The way I see it, this Test match, it was like a vaccine for Test cricket. This was like the first dose of the vaccine that will help Test cricket stay alive. They will need about 5 or 6 more frequent shots of this vaccine for Test cricket to be safe. Yes, vaccine. And the vaccine.